IEG is building various types of smart factory test beds to help companies build smart factories. This system is a test bed for a smart factory in the advanced stage and a process of processing, assembling, inspection, and transporting for wine stoppers and seals using robots and machine tools. Using the data generated in each process, the data displays in real time through monitors, tablets, and HoloLens, etc., and realizes the advancement of the smart factory through the digital twin. In the raw material warehouse, wood stamps and brass wine stoppers are stored, and a 3-axis orthogonal robot can supply pre-processing raw materials according to the user's order. In the smart processing room, laser processing machine with the processing using MCT and CNC machines are carried out. You can monitor the processing situation in real time to check the processing status and problems of the product. The processed products are quickly transported to the assembly and inspection line. Tracking on conveyor belts, up-down lifts, and overhead hoist conveying devices in the smart processing room. The transported products are first inspected in various ways, such as contact appearance inspection and AI vision inspection to check their quality. After the inspection is completed, the product is laser marked according to the user's requirements. The wine stopper is completed by inserting 2 rubber O-rings, and the seal is finished with a lid. The finished product is packaged using the heat-fused blister packaging method. For tracking of packaged products, the product is given an ID, and a barcode label is applied. After all the processes are completed, each product is moving into a wheel sorter. According to the barcode scanning process, and information such as the product type, the orderer and the order status, and loaded into the AMR shipping dock. Shipped products are delivered to the finished product warehouse. Using AMRs, equipped with collaborative robots, the finished products transported by the AMR are stored in the storage location of each product and are shipped according to the customer's request. All of this is done in an unmanned process, and practice is done using real-time stored manufacturing data. All data generated from the manufacturing facility is transmitted to the server in real time and build a database. Data stored in the data server becomes into visualization through monitors, tablets, and HoloLens, and provided information to managers and workers. By digitally twining manufacturing facilities and linking real-time data from data servers, it is possible to check the operation status of the factory in the external space and to increase production efficiency through the optimization of facilities. IEG will support companies in building smart factories and continue to nurture manpower necessary for the construction and operation of smart factories.